Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to one more week in Spanish. Bienvenidos. Today we're going to see presente continuo, presente progresivo y el gerundio. When we talk about an action who is happening at the moment or something is always happening. You can follow this class on your textbook on page 113. Página 113 en tu libro de gramática. In English, you form the gerund by adding ing. When combining with a helping verb, it describes an action in progress. So, to be, we are playing darts. To keep on, we kept on playing darts. To go on, we went on playing darts. So now we're going to see how can you show those actions or those meanings in Spanish. In Spanish, the gerundio can also be combined with different helping verbs. So you form the gerundio by dropping the infinitive ending and adding. So you drop the last part of the verbs ending in ar and add ando. You drop the part ir and add yendo. So jugar, jugando, hacer, haciendo, vivir, viviendo. When the stem of an or ir verb end is in a vowel, change yendo to yendo. Leer, leyendo. Stem changing ir verbs also have a stem change in the gerundio form. So dormir, durmiendo. Divertir, divirtiendo. Combine the gerundio with helping verbs to say when or how something happens. Combine it with estar to form progressive tenses, describing actions in progress. Estamos jugando al ajedrez. We are playing chess right now. Estábamos jugando al dominó cuando llamó Fede. We were playing dominoes when Fede called it. So here estábamos. The verb is in imperfect tense. This means the action, the people were doing something in the past, okay? The action are doing, but someone interrupt that action, all right? So you have to conjugate the verb estar to express gerundio en pasado, all right? So that's all for today. And complete the exercises. The exercises we're going to practice in present tense. All right? So take care. See you in class. Bye.